If you're thinking about becoming a blockchain developer in 2026, this video will help you understand what skills you actually need and whether live training is worth it. Blockchain is no longer just about crypto. It's powering Web3, DeFi, NFTs, enterprise systems, and real-world applications. In this video, I'm reviewing a live instructor-led blockchain developer training offered by Blockchain Council. This program is designed for people who want a structured path into blockchain development instead of learning randomly from free tutorials. Let's start with the biggest question. What does a blockchain developer actually do in 2026? Modern blockchain developers work with smart contracts, decentralized applications, and blockchain networks like Ethereum and enterprise platforms. This live training focuses on core blockchain concepts, smart contracts, and real-world development use cases. One major advantage of live training is direct interaction with instructors, which can save months of confusion for beginners. Instead of guessing what to learn next, the curriculum follows a clear roadmap from fundamentals to advanced topics. The course also includes hands-on examples, which is critical because blockchain development is very practical, not just theory. Another important part is certification. Many learners want a credential that shows proof of skills, not just self-study. This program offers a certified blockchain developer TM credential after completing the training and exam. Is this course for everyone? Not exactly. If you're completely new to programming, you'll still need to invest time learning basic coding concepts alongside the training. But if you already have some technical background or want a guided path into Web3, this type of live training can be very effective. In 2026, blockchain development is competitive, and structured learning plus certification can give you a strong edge. If your goal is to transition into a blockchain developer role or future-proof your tech career, this training is worth considering. Check the link in the description to learn more about the live training and see if it fits your career goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech career and Web3 content.